Hey there, Truth Sleuths. It's Miss Jess here, and since we are mystery-solving detectives, I thought it would be fun to play a mystery sound game. Turn up those listening ears and see if you can figure out what's making this sound. What could it be? Let's listen one more time. Do you know what that sound is?
Rain.
That's right, it's rain. Great job and good listening, Truth Sleuths. Let's try one more. This one is extra tricky. I think I'm gonna need some extra time to figure that one out. But check out our next video to see what that extra tricky mystery sound is. Bye, Sleuths.